Auntie Jo here with Auntie Jo Sews. So today I'm going to show you my newest Little Golden Book junk journal. It is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and this is going to be for sale in my store, and I'm also going to include, because people give these out as gifts, so a gift for you if you buy it and you're into the paper crafting. This is a 4 envelope flip notebook, and we'll show it to you real quick. So here we go. And I'm going to do this quick. I don't want to take up your evening. But of course, I got little jingle bells. And I'm also going to put on the little golden ribbon here on the little ringy dings here. I forgot to put those on, but they match this. So it'll be on there. So here we go. First page of the book is always first page of the book. And this was written to someone named Dev, or actually Devin filled it out. I'm assuming it looks like a cute little kid's handwriting. And this was published in 1978, 24th printing. And here's our first journaling page. Now with the rings, you are free to add in as many journaling pages, different scrapbook paper as you would like. I've included some journaling cards here. So usually I'll go through and I'll put different stamps and stuff and really do different things. So but this time what I've done is I'm going to take all the front right side facing blank journal pages and I've spiffed them up a little bit with some washi tape, some stickers, and then I've added in other scrapbook paper and journaling cards. So that's that page. Here's the next page of the book. And then we've got Santa puffy sticker on the journaling page. And we've got another piece of scrapbook paper, do not open till Christmas. And then another page of the book. So like if this were one of my other books, I might put like an additional sheet of paper in there. But I thought, you know what, let me let whoever gets this do what they want with it. So I've left that open. And then I've included cards, handmade cards. Be merry. And this is a 3-pocket folder, or I guess you'd call it just a 3-pocket page. So I've got one there, a pocket in here, and a pocket on this side, which is another card. All the cards are handmade, and these are actually by Stacy, the Craftaholic Mama. They're 3D. They're just fabulous. She hand makes them all. Here's reindeer, go along with the theme of the book. Another journaling card on some cardstock. Another journaling card. Another page of the book. And this is where, if I were doing it for me, or I had a custom order, I'd put in another sheet. And it's just simply copy paper. I don't use coffee pages for this when they're in these, because it makes it, when I dye them with tea or coffee, it makes the pages a little more susceptible to being torn and stuff. So I only use the copy paper. Another card, happy ho ho to you. Another journaling card. This is a piece of the scrap book paper, and what I put on this one is a embroidered, this is actual embroidery, pocket on a vintage book. So here's a pocket for you. Another page of the book. If you watch the videos, you'll see like thing, and then there's a journaling page. So that's all that's missing from this one. I just thought I'd change it up a little bit. Another journaling page with a snowman on it. And here is another embroider. This is completely embroidered. Old on top of an old book, smaller page on top of a larger page. And this is also a pocket. Cute little Have a Holly Jolly Christmas 3D card. Just fantastic. Maybe put it back in. There we go. And we'll turn the page. Another journaling pocket. Another page of the book. I'm so used to saying, and another journaling page. And here is, and you know what, if you do want this and you'd like to have me add in journaling pages, just shoot me a message and I will add in journaling pages for you. It's like I'm out of my comfort zone right now. More scrapbook paper and journaling cards. Another page of the book. Journaling page with Santa's head on there. Another page of the scrapbook paper. Some more journaling cards. Page of the book. Our second 3-pocket page. This is Merry Christmas, also 3D, just fantastic. Her cards are just gorgeous. You should definitely check her out. Craftaholic Mama. And here's the other card of hers. 'Tis a season to be jolly, just fabulous. Another journaling page with snowman. Cardstock with some journaling pages on each side. Journaling cards on each side. Another page of the book. Journaling page with Santa. He's up here in this corner now. A scrapbook page and a journaling card. And, of course, that was another page of the book. scrap paper. Oh, I am going to put actually a journaling sheet here. I don't know what happened to it. I must have left it somewhere. I must have left it in the craft area. So yep, there will be a sheet here for that. And then here's another reindeer. And then we have the end of the book. There we go. That's my latest junk journal. This is Rudolph. And again, if you'd like to have the, if you would like to buy it and you want the additional journal pages in there, just let me know and I will put them in and decorate them for you and just add that in there. And then these little ringies will have the gold little teeny ribbons on each one. And that's, again, that's that book. And this will be available at the link in my store. And then this is pretty cool. This is a 4-flip, I think it was 4 folder. And I just thought somebody'd like to have this. And why not? If we're buying stuff for other people, let's have gift for ourselves too. So here we go. So each one has a little bit of ephemera in it. They're all pockets. This is all handmade. More little pieces of ephemera. We've got some note paper, some flowers. Then this one is doilies, all different kind of doilies that really match the theme of the folder. And then, let's see, do I have something else in there? Oh yeah, wait, I have my washi tape, I think. Then we have a cute little thing of washi tape. I love washi tape. I didn't put another thing of washi tape in here today. Let me look. God, it's been so long. This was like over the spring and summer. And then, last one is here. What do we got here? Oh, okay. So we have little pieces of paper. I believe they are little envelopes. Yeah, they're individual little teeny envelopes. I might have a crafting habit, so I don't know what I'm doing. Little envelopes is just adorable. So there we go. That is just a little added bonus. So I'm sure whoever gets this, more stuff in there, will probably be giving the journal to someone else. So I thought, well, what the heck? Let me just make an extra gift in here for whoever gets it. And it's really nice. I might have opened it too quick for you to see them, but here they are. The different, and it's flower themed. There we go. Anyway, so that's what you'll be getting. If you decide to get my lot, you'll get the junk journal and then a gift for envelope flower themed flip folder. Say that 5 times real fast. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a moment and do so. Happy crafting.